A freelance copywriter charges $500 for an email sequence. I built one in 10 minutes. For free. And honestly, the AI version might be better. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the problem most small business owners face. You know email marketing works. Every dollar spent on email returns $36 on average. But writing emails is painful. You stare at a blank screen. You don't know what to say. So you put it off for months. Or you hire a copywriter and spend hundreds of dollars on a welcome sequence you're not even sure will convert. There's a better way now. AI tools can write your entire email campaign, subject lines, body copy, calls to action, even suggest who to send each email to. I'm going to build a complete welcome sequence and a promotional campaign from scratch. You'll see every prompt I use and every word the AI writes. Let's start with a welcome sequence. That's the series of emails someone gets right after they sign up for your list. I'm opening Claude and giving it this prompt. You're an email marketing expert. Write a 5-email welcome sequence for a local bakery that just launched online ordering. The audience is busy parents aged 30 to 45. Each email should be under 150 words. Include a subject line, preview text, body, and call to action. Watch what happens. In about 20 seconds, Claude gives me all 5 emails. Email 1 is the welcome and first order discount. Email 2 tells the bakery's story. Email 3 highlights the best-selling items. Email 4 handles a common objection: is the food actually fresh when delivered? Email 5 is a limited-time bundle offer. Now let's look at the subject lines it wrote. Your first order is on us, kind of. That's good. It's got curiosity. It's short. The croissant that started it all. That's storytelling. These aren't generic. They feel like a real brand voice. Visual CUE, screen recording of Claude generating the full welcome sequence. Welcome sequence is done. Now let's build a promotional campaign. Say the bakery wants to run a Mother's Day special. I'll give Claude a new prompt. Write a 3-email promotional campaign for a Mother's Day brunch box. Price point is $45. Emails should create urgency without being pushy. Include a subject line, body, and 1 clear call to action per email. Again, 20 seconds. 3 emails. The first one introduces the offer 2 weeks before Mother's Day. The second is a reminder at 1 week out. The third is a last chance email 2 days before. The AI even suggested segmentation. It recommended sending the last chance email only to people who opened email 1 but didn't buy. That's smart targeting. Most small business owners wouldn't think to do that. Now I want to check the quality. I'll paste the emails into Mailmoto's free email analyzer. It checks for spam trigger words, readability score, and mobile formatting. All 3 emails pass. Readability is at a 7th grade level. No spam flags. That's ready to send. Visual CUE, show Mailmoto Analyzer results with green check marks. Now for the honest part. AI email copy isn't perfect. I've tested it across a dozen campaigns, and here's what I've found. AI is great at structure. It knows a welcome sequence should start broad and get specific. It knows a promo campaign needs escalating urgency. It's also great at subject lines. But AI struggles with 2 things. First, emotional specificity. It'll write, "We love our customers," instead of "Mrs. Chen has ordered our sourdough every Saturday for 3 years." Real stories beat generic warmth every time. Second, AI tends to overpolish. Every sentence sounds like a marketing textbook. Real emails that convert often feel a little messy. A little human. So my workflow is this. Let AI write the first draft. Then I go through and add 1 real customer story, 1 imperfect sentence, and one detail that only someone inside the business would know. That takes 5 minutes. And it makes the emails feel real. One more thing. Don't use AI to write deceptive subject lines. Your order when there's no order is a spam tactic. AI will generate clickbait if you ask for it. Don't. Here's the bottom line. If you're a small business owner who's been putting off email marketing because you can't write or can't afford a copywriter, AI just removed that excuse. You can build a complete welcome sequence and promotional campaign in one sitting. The tools are free. The results are solid. And with a few minutes of personal editing, nobody will know AI wrote the first draft. Here's what I'd do today. Open Claude or ChatGPT. Use the exact prompts I showed you. Write your welcome sequence. Paste it into Brevo's free plan. Set up the automation. You'll have a working email system by tonight. If you found this useful, subscribe. I break down AI tools for normal people every week. No hype. Just what actually works. I'll see you in the next one.